Hello everyone, this is Tutor Marife MCP. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be teaching you how to solve this given problem. This is our given figure. Let's read the given information. Line segment AC and line segment BC are tangent segments. Calculate for x in two ways. To be able to solve for x in two ways, we will be applying some circle theorems and some basic geometry concepts. For our first method, we will be using the given information. Segment AC and segment BC are tangent segments. What is a tangent segment? A tangent segment is a segment that intersects a circle at exactly one point. Segment AC is tangent to circle O. It intersects circle O at exactly one point, and that point is point A. Segment BC is also tangent to circle O. It intersects circle O at exactly one point, and that point is point B. The special name for the point of intersection of a circle and the tangent is point of tangency. Therefore, point A is the point of tangency of circle O and segment AC, while point B is the point of tangency of circle O and segment BC. We're going to use the tangent to a circle theorem. The tangent to a circle theorem states that the tangent to a circle and the radius drawn to the point of tangency are perpendicular to each other. When we say perpendicular, the angle between the radius drawn to the point of tangency and the tangent segment is exactly equal to 90 degrees. This is another radius drawn to point of tangency. This is a tangent segment. By tangent to a circle theorem, we can also say that the angle between this radius and this tangent segment is also 90 degrees. Okay? Next, we're going to use the basic fact in geometry. That is, the sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. The four interior angles of this quadrilateral are angle O, angle A, angle C, and angle B. If we add them up, it's equal to 360 degrees. Measure of angle O plus measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equals 360 degrees. Measure of angle O is given. It's equal to 114 degrees. Measure of angle A is equal to 90 degrees by application of the tangent to a circle theorem. Measure of angle B is also equal to 90 degrees. Again, application of the tangent to a circle theorem. We are looking for measure of angle C. It's represented by X. The sum of all these four interior angles is equal to 360 degrees. Let's combine the constant terms on the left side. 114 plus 90 equals 204 plus 90 equals 294 plus x equals 360. Use addition property of equality. Let's add negative 294 to both sides of the equation. Cancel out opposite numbers on the left side. X is equal to 360 plus negative 294 equals 66. We have calculated the value for x. X is equal to 66 degrees. For our second method, recognize that angle O is a central angle. What is a central angle? A central angle is an angle whose vertex is at the center of a circle. This is the intercepted arc of angle O. It is the section of the circumference enclosed by radii OA and OB. This section is called the intercepted arc of angle O. We are going to use the circle theorem that relates the measure of the central angle and the measure of its intercepted arc. That circle theorem states that the measure of the central angle and the measure of its corresponding intercepted arc are equal. So if our central angle is equal to 114 degrees, then our arc AB, which is the intercepted arc of angle O, is also equal to 114 degrees. Let's write down 114 degrees. Next, notice that circle O is cut into two arcs, the smaller arc and the larger arc. The smaller arc is called the minor arc, while the larger arc is called the major arc. If we add up minor arc and major arc, their sum is equal to 360 degrees, or equivalent to a full circle. We already computed the value of the minor arc. It's equal to 114 degrees. Plus major arc equals 360 degrees. We're going to solve for the value of the major arc. Let's use the addition property of equality. Add negative 114 to both sides of the equation. Cancel out opposite numbers. Therefore, major arc is equal to the sum of 360 and negative 114 degrees. That is equal to 246 degrees. For our final step, we can now solve for the value of x by application of the outside angle theorem. The outside angle theorem states that the measure of an angle formed by the tangent segments from a point outside the circle is equal to 1/2 the difference between the measures of the intercepted arcs. Let's write our equation. By outside angle theorem, x is equal to 1/2 times the difference between the measures of the intercepted arcs. The intercepted arcs are the major arc and the minor arc. Our major arc is equal to 246 degrees, while our minor arc is equal to 114 degrees. X is equal to 1/2 of 246 minus 114 is equal to 132. And 1/2 of 132 is equal to 66 degrees. Our answer is the same as our answer in the first method. Okay? That's all for this problem. If you have any questions or you want further clarification, feel free to post your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Tutor Marife MCP. Thank you for watching.